let's dive deep into the heart of healthcare. Share some learnings and create lasting memories in the Cardinal Santos Medical Center Battle of the Nightingales Year 1.
The Battle of the Nightingales is just one of the many undertakings of our hospital, which was conceived and originated from our Metro Pacific Health Group of Hospitals.
Once again, let us give it up for Adamson University!
Teamwork is very important. Syempre, we are collaborating here.
Well organized, and thank you so much for welcoming us. Sa mga foods, thank you so much for giving us.
Talagang hindi kami pinabayaan from the start.
Make a stand! Make a difference!
Bataan Peninsula State University.
Sobrang kaba po namin. Parang nakakatakot. Natutuwa po kami dahil nagja-jive po yung mga answers namin.
Pasigaw na po ko one time. Nabawalan po.
Thankful po kami na nakapag-compete po kami and then pasok po sa finals.
Emilia Aguinaldo College!
And I'm very grateful to Cardinal Santos Medical Center for kindly inviting our school, Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila.
Let's go! Generous fight!
St. Paul University, Quezon City.
Okay, now, the grand prize now for all the schools is 50,000 pesos.
Difficult nung
Very confident sumagot.
kahit mali, dinaan sa confidence.
The University of the Cordilleras!
Thank you po sa Cardinal Santos Medical Center for giving us a chance to experience this kind of event.
How are you feeling?
It's an absolute pleasure to share that we have identified the top 3 groups with the highest scores. Congratulations, Bataan Peninsula State University, St. Paul University, Quezon City, University of Cordilleras, all the way from the north.
From Baguio City pa po, so nag-travel pa kami. Kaya so far, worth it na po yung binyahe namin.
It's how you're going to play and the experience that you're going to gain with this competition. At kitang-kita ko po na masaya po sila ngayon.
Tiwala lang sa aking mga estudyante. Kasi no matter what happened, we do our best.
Let us give it up once again for our amazing participants who have already set the tone and spirits high.
Indeed, their enthusiasm is truly infectious.
And we are grateful to all our partner universities for your presence, for accepting the challenge, and for continuously working with us towards people development and formation of our future nurses.
Battle of the Nightingale!